In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to upload your images to a photo gallery through our web uploader. Now to get started, let's go into the Photos tab and into the Galleries page. Within the Galleries page, I'm going to create a new gallery, and I'm going to call the gallery Demo Gallery. I'll select the Family Gallery type and leave the rest as it is. Once the gallery has been created, the page will refresh and you'll see your new gallery here in the list of galleries. To add images to this gallery, click Photos, Upload Photos, Web. At the top of the Upload page, you'll be able to select a pricing template for the images that you're going to upload. You're also going to select a category to upload your images into. Since this gallery is a new one, there's no categories already created, so I'm going to click Create New Category. I'm just going to put Category 1 for my category name. But if you're uploading a wedding or some other event type that has specific categories in it, go ahead and create a category named Reception, Bride and Groom, Family Formals, or anything of that type. Once a category has been created, click on it here to select it. And then there are a couple of options on the side. Skip Duplicates allows you to upload your images, and if an image with that name already exists in the category you're uploading to, it'll automatically skip that image. The Overwrite Duplicates option is similar to the Skip Duplicates option, except for instead of skipping your duplicate image, it's going to override it. So if you want to upload a new version of an image, such as a higher resolution image or an edited image, click the Overwrite Duplicates option, and that'll replace the image that's already there. The Auto Rotate option will automatically try to rotate your images if they've been rotated by a camera or some other software that hasn't physically rotated the images. Now down here is where we're going to drop our images, or we can select this button to select the images. I'm going to go ahead and drop some. And here you can see all the images have been dropped into this area. Here we get a file count, a total upload size, and then as we upload, you'll see the speed of the uploads here. Click Upload Selected Items when you're ready to upload, and it'll begin uploading the images. Once the images have finished uploading, you'll have an option here to upload more images, or you can view your uploaded images. We're going to go ahead and view our uploaded images. And as the page comes up, you'll see that some of the images are still being processed, and some of the images have already been processed. When your images are uploaded, they're added to a processing queue, and it can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes for your images to be processed, depending on how many other images are in the queue before yours. If we jump back to the categories in the gallery, you can see here at the top you currently have X number of images in the processing queue. This will automatically update, so if you leave the page open, you can watch it go down in real time. And if you have any additional photos you want to upload, you can create new categories from this page and then add photos to those categories by clicking the Add Photos button here. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at support@instaproofs.com.